I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything. Safety prevents short circuits and lost settings. Once done, inspect the connector. Note whether the clip is recessed or exposed so you know how to access the latch. Use a small flat tool to slightly lift the clip while stabilizing the cable with your other hand. This relieves pressure and prevents damage. Make sure to work in clear light and on a non-conductive surface so you can see the tab and avoid bending pins. You depress the release tab with a fingertip or thin tool while pulling the jack straight out. This separates contacts evenly and reduces stress. If the clip feels stuck, push the connector slightly inward to unseat any retention lip, then lift the tab and extract. That motion disengages internal catches. Make sure to pull parallel to the jack opening rather than at an angle, because twisting can bend pins or widen the socket. Once freed, inspect both ends for debris or bent contacts. You finish by inspecting the connector and port for bent pins, debris, or corrosion. Proper contact geometry ensures reliable connections. If you see dust, use compressed air or a lightly isopropyl dampened swab to clean and allow it to dry. Do not force solvents into the socket. Make sure to test with a spare cable before reassembly. If removal stalls, a key troubleshooting tip. Stop and look for hidden retention screws or clips under labels. Continuing for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.